I just found the newest way you can get 1,000 subscribers without stress. In this particular method, you are not uploading shorts, you are not going live or uploading any video, and you still get subscribers. The only thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio and go to your Chrome browser and follow everything I'm going to be teaching you in this video, and you're going to see yourself getting the result. And the most beautiful part of this is that this is the method successful creator and big YouTuber such as vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Dan the Creator, and many others are using to get subscribers on a daily basis. So if you are serious about getting more subscribers on YouTube, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because if you miss any part of this video, this method is not going to work for you. And don't come back here later and that the method did not work for you if you did not watch the video from the beginning to the end. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the video.
So now the first thing first, you are going to head over to your Chrome browser. Then you're going to type in www.youtubestudio.com. You are going to be using the Chrome YouTube Studio desktop version. They are going to click on that icon, then you come over to here, then you're going to see continue. You're going to click on continue to studio. Then after that, it's going to bring you over to your YouTube studio. Then you're going to click on that icon, then you scroll down, down. Then you see this place, that this section that say channel URL. So you are going to copy your channel URL. This is your main channel URL. So you are going to copy it. Once you finish copying, you are going to head over to a secret website. But before that, you are going to click on add link. So that's going to bring a two link section, then a title, and where you can enter another URL. So after you have copied your link, the next thing is you move over to this secret website, which you are going to come to your Chrome. So you're going to click on auto subscribe link generator. You scroll down here, and this is the website. You can see there's a lot of search sheets, 1K subscribe link, auto subscribe link for free. That means a lot of people are actually searching for this and using it to get their subscriber. So once you come to the website, you are going to paste the link which you copied from your YouTube studio. You are going to paste the link. They are going to click on generate link. Don't worry, I'm heading somewhere. Just follow everything I'm doing. So generate link. They are going to copy the link which you just generate. So you copy the link. Then you head back to your YouTube studio. Yes, I'm going to head back to your YouTube studio. So let's go back to our YouTube studio. So we go back to our YouTube studio. Now we're going to paste the link. You see this URL. Okay, just wait, continue. So we're going to click on continue. You see this URL require. You're going to paste that link which you copied. So you're going to paste it here. You're going to click on paste. Once you finish pasting it, you are going to give the link a title. Yes, it's very important that you give the link a title. A lot of people are using this method to get subscribers very fast, Just try this. I'm going to explain how it's going to work, so just follow me. So once you have done that, you're going to give the link a title. The title you are going to give it is subscribe for more tips. Subscribe for more tips. Please take note. It's very, very important, all these things I'm saying. So after that, you are going to save it. You're going to click on save. If you don't click on save, it's not going to work. So if you just come here and do this thing and you don't click on save, so it's very important you click on save. Then once you have clicked on save, now let me show you how the thing is going to work. We are going to be going back to my YouTube app. This time around, not YouTube Studio, the main YouTube app. So I'll go back to my YouTube app right now. Let me show you how it is now. So I'm going to go back to my YouTube app. So click on YouTube app. We are going to come to my channel analysis. So if you come to my channel right now, if you click on, you can see YouTube. You can see there's a new link now. You can see, click on it. So you're going to click on that. You see this subscribe for more tip. Once anybody clicks on that link, automatically they have subscribed to your channel, even with them not knowing. So this is the way you can get your subscriber. Try this out. Now the second setting or second way which you can get your 1,000 subscriber or more subscriber on YouTube is using you're going to be using cards. Yes, you are going to be using cards. It's very important. I know a lot of people will say, I know how to do it, I know how to do it, but I'm going to be showing you how to properly do it. You are going to be using cards, end screen. Yes, end screen too is very important. So you are going to click on end screen. Click on end screen, then you click on elements. So you are going to first drag the line to where you want the video playlist or your channel name to appear. So you are going to click on element. I'm going to choose a specific playlist. So whenever a viewer is watching my video, YouTube is going to recommend my playlist to them. Like all the videos in my playlist are going to appear. In that way, they'll be able to watch my other videos, and that's the way. And that way, you'll be growing and you'll be getting your subscribers. So the next thing, you're going to click on cards. Cards too is very, very important. Once you click on cards, then you click on. So I'm going to add my channel name. Once any viewer just click, once my channel name just appears on their video, they are going to subscribe. So you're just going to look for your channel name. So it's your channel name that you are going to look for. If you look for any other channel name, it's the other channel that's going to get the subscriber they are meant to get. So I'm going to click on my channel. You are just going to create a custom message. The message you are going to be using is subscribe for more tips. So this is how to do it. So you're going to subscribe for more tips. In that way, anybody that is watching your video, your channel name is going to appear, and once they click on it, it's going to bring a subscribe button and they are going to subscribe. I bet you try this and you're going to see your channel getting a lot of visibility, views, subscriber, watch hour, momentum. Like this is actually real, 100%. Go and try this. So once you are done, you are going to click on save. You're going to click on save, and try this out and see your channel growing.